Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and I'm back with the first drawing video of the year. First of all, I wish you all a happy new year. The most important thing is your health, so take care of yourself guys. That should be the main target for the new year. Alright, today I got something special for you guys. I collaborated with an amazing artist from Instagram called Bryarts98. His coloring skills are amazing and that's why I wanted to work with him. As you can see, his drawings are phenomenal. And this drawing of Goku shocked me. The coloring is really outstanding, so I had to contact this guy. I wanted the exact same style for our drawing with the same coloring technique but with a different character, so I choose to draw Vegeta. So I'm doing the line work right now and Bryarts will color it afterwards. Alright guys, make sure to like this video and then let's check out the drawing process together. Let's go. So guys, we just finished the line work and I think it looks great. I choose the iconic pose of Vegeta from his first fight against Goku, and I left out the ink on the hair of the Vegeta above, so Bryarts is able to make the hair stand out with his unique coloring style. And I have to mention that Bryarts is not a YouTuber, but for this collaboration he has recorded his coloring process. I really appreciate that. So let's check out the coloring process and then we will take a look at the final result together. Let's go! This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creators. On this platform you can learn all kinds of stuff, and as you guys are interested in drawing, Skillshare is perfect for you. There you can find tons of online art teachers with tutorials and online art classes. The tutorials of Patrick Brown really helped me to create dynamic poses way easier. You can really search for everything, guys. On Skillshare you can find drawing tutorials for beginners or advanced artists. You can also look for specific tutorials like how to use a pen or how to color digitally with an iPad. And you can get all of that for less than $10 a month. And the real cool thing is, Skillshare is offering a free trial of premium membership for the first 1000 people to use the link in my info box. It's really a great deal, guys, and as you can see, Skillshare is really an amazing platform for everybody. So make sure to check that out and use the link below, guys.
Get that money, 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 money. I don't come the money, 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 money. Do it all for money, 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 money. Let me stack that money, 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 money. Come and get that money, money. Let me stack that money, money. get that money, 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 money. I don't count the money, 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 money. Do it all for money, 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 money. Let me stack that money, 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 money. Come and get that money. Let me stack that money, money, money.
Alright guys, there it is. Vegeta Mastered Ultra Instinct, drawn by your artist Tolg and colored by Bryarts98. He also did the editing for his coloring process, which he did very well. I really appreciate your hard work, brother. The drawing turned out amazing, just how I imagined it. As you can see, he worked mainly with color pencils, which is a lot more time consuming and harder to do. I was really looking forward to this collaboration and the result is awesome. How do you like it, guys? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to see more collabs with Bryarts98, let us know in the comments as well. Make sure to like this video to show us your support, and you have to check out Bryarts on Instagram. Show that brother some love and follow him over there. Also subscribe to my channel if you are new, and also check out my real-time drawing channel. For commissions, email me at arttolg@gmail.com or message me on Instagram. All the info's down below, guys. That's it. Thank you for watching and I see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.
Money, 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 get that money.